Oh, okay. And I scratched it down. Sorry, I caught my kids.
Oh, that's okay.
Should I just go back? Yeah, I turned my picture.
All right, court is calling 2012 CR 7214.
Here we go. Judge calling the case. And listen carefully, folks. This isn't just paperwork. Tiffany is facing the revocation of community supervision, which means probation could turn into jail time.
State versus Tiffany Nicole Chacon. Could I have parties announced for the record?
Defendant for the state of Texas.
Roberto Ambrosino for the defense.
And are you Tiffany Nicole Chacon?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you review the document entitled Motion to Enter Adjudication of Guilt and Revoke Community Supervision with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you the same Tiffany Nicole Chacon who was placed on deferred adjudication in 2012 CR 7214 for the offense of injury to a child bodily injury recklessly on January 23rd, 2013?
Condition 5 is a big deal. Reporting to your probation officer is basically rule number 1. Missing 4 months in a row? That's like waving a red flag in front of the court. Question for you guys. Do you think life struggles should excuse missing probation check-ins? Or is that not
for a period of 2 years and extended for a total of 1 year? Is that you?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, state.
Yes, Your Honor, here this morning in the state's motion to supplement pending motion to ensure adjudication of guilt and revoke probation. Violation of condition number 5.
Well, just 1 second. I don't have the supplemental. Let me see.
It should be first page right after the summary.
No, I don't have it. No problem.
You'd like me to get you a printout, Your Honor?
Oh, they're printing it out.
Okay.
Yes. No problem. Thank you. All right. We're back on the record. Did you review the state's motion to supplement pending motion to enter adjudication of guilt and revoke community supervision with your attorney, and did you understand it?
Yes.
All right. Just a moment. We'll wait till they finish over here, then I'll take your matter up. All right. You may proceed.
Yes, Your Honor. Violation of condition number 5. In Bexar County, Texas, the defendant, Tiffany Nicole Chacon, and then and there failed to report to the supervision officer in person for the months of September, October.
Whoa, 9 months. That's the deal on the table. For context, she could have been looking at 2 years. So here's the twist. Is this a fair break, or just a soft landing considering the history of the case? Drop your thoughts.
November and December 2015, in violation of condition number 5.
How do you plead to that? True or not true?
Sure.
He will waive the remaining violations, Your Honor.
Any objections to the waivers?
No objection.
All right. Did you understand by pleading true to violation of condition number 5, the court could find it true, grant the motion, find you guilty, sentence you up to 2 years in the state jail facility?
This is heartbreaking. Tiffany explains the abusive relationship kept her from following probation rules. And here's the tricky part. Judges hear this a lot. But how do they balance compassion with accountability? This is where the human side of the law collides with the letter.
And up to a $10,000 fine?
Yes, Your Honor.
Knowing that, do you still wish to plead true
Yes,
to
Your Honor.
violation of condition number 5?
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will find violation of condition number 5 true. Is there a proposed agreement?
There is, Your Honor. That is for the defendant to serve 9 months in the state jail facility.
Is that the agreement?
It is, Your Honor.
All right. You want to raise your right hand for me? Do you solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you give will be the truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, you can lower your hand, state your name for the record.
Tiffany Chacon.
All right. So why didn't you do well on this probation?
Well, I was in an abusive relationship and I was just a stay-at-home mom and he wouldn't let me go anywhere or do anything. So it was like I had to listen to him, you know. And there's even where I called the cops on him and everything. So
So,
I turned myself in now because I finally got the strength to leave him after so long.
all right. So I'm not the one who took this plea because this is from 2013. This is before my time. It's probably one of the judges that are on the wall over there. So let me review things.
It was Angeline.
Okay. All right.
Judge, she also has 5 children between the ages of 15 and 7. And she was local this whole time. She never traveling or
Just home,
being a
taking
fugitive.
care of the kids.
Both sides lock in a 9-month agreement. Notice how smoothly this plays out. No fireworks, no shouting. But don't be fooled. This moment decides whether Tiffany walks out free or straight into custody.
All righty. Well, I read the stipulations in this case. So did Child Protective Services complete everything? Does anyone know?
Well, she still has her 5 children. So I think that would tell us.
So I don't understand how Child Protective Services could be in her life. And she's saying that she's in this relationship, that he won't let her leave the house. There's no way she could have successfully completed her courses that they require through Child Protective Services. And this case was before Zoom. So you would have to go to parenting classes. You would have to go in and get your drug testing.
He would go with me to do the parenting classes. I had given the probation officer the certificate for the parenting classes that we did. But he didn't have to go, but he would like go with me because
And then they would have supervised visitation with the children. So, all right, you're saying you all have agreed to 9 months? Are you asking the court to follow that agreement?
yes, ma'am.
Are you waiving your right to appeal?
Yes.
All right, the court is finding violation of condition number 5 true. The court will sentence you to 9 months in the state jail facility. Give you credit for any time served.
And that's it. Tiffany is remanded to custody for 9 months. Heavy, right? Now, here's a question. Do you think the system helped her here or failed her? Comment your take, because this one really splits opinion.
Let's see. There's a $1,500 fine. Time and money will run concurrently. Did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
Yes.
Because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what a weapon or ammunition is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand?
Yes.
All right. We can go off the record. I always tell people it's better to take care of this instead of constantly looking over your shoulder.
Yeah.
So they'll take you into custody. Good luck to you.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Good luck.